Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. For those of you who've been here before, welcome back to the channel. And stay till the end of this video here because I got some surprises that you can get in the description below. I will show them to you here in a little while. And also, if this is your first time here, you're wondering who I am. I teach a lot of stuff that I had a lot of trouble getting into, which was web traffic. So there's investment traffic and then there's organic. So on this channel, I kind of teach both. You will be able to see those in my other videos that will pop up at the end of this video. So since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button to get notified of new videos coming up because I got a lot coming up and there's so much you can do out there. So smile, it confuses our enemies. So keep your smile in front of your competitors. That's kind of what it means. And let's move forward in this video here. So I'm going to teach you I didn't even look to see there's other videos on this. I kind of just went with the flow. So not that one. That was just something I downloaded. But I'm going to be using that here in an example. So the website I wanted to show you is Traffic Stars. I'm going to leave this open for you so you can get a full view. So it is investment traffic. As you can see in here, I put some money in here and I got some ads running myself. So I'm using it as well. It's called trafficstars.com and this is how much traffic it gets. It gets monthly traffic, 2.40 million. I mean, that's kind of how many people use this site. So country rank is Japan, global rank 32,587 worldwide, and Vietnam has 21% of it, and then United States uses 1443. So you could promote here. You could go mainstream, get you a CPM, whatever offer you would like to promote, put it in there, and launch it out there. So you have to take action, everybody. The way to make money online is you got to take action. So let me show you real quick on how to do this. It's pretty simple, straightforward, and I already got a product over here that I'm using this as an example. That's what I showed you earlier, what you've seen. I'm going to be using this as an example. So there's a lot of videos already on Max Bounty. In case you don't know what Max Bounty is, it's a CPM network, and I'm going to be making some videos later of these other networks that you can use, but for this example, I'm using Max Bounty. It's just for an example, and I want to keep my eye on the rules. The rules, campaign description, it'll have everything right here. Right here, there's no adult traffic. So, and I'm going to show you how you could use the website Traffic Stars and you don't put any adult traffic in there. It says no adult traffic. So absolutely follow the rules. And I'm approved for this, and these are the countries I could promote in. So, for that being said already, I'm going to move forward here. So I'm going to create a campaign. I'm not going to launch it out because I'm using this as an example. So for this campaign, I'm going to want a dating test. Just want to test it out. So you could use a banner, pop under, native video, push. I mean, these are the ads you could use. But for this example, I'm just going to use banner. So it's pretty simple. Now, this is where, since it said no adult traffic, this is where you want to follow the rules. Because on the categories, if you push all, it's gonna just launch it all out to all networks. You don't want that for something like this. You're gonna want to push custom. Now, I'm not gonna push the custom button because it's gonna pop up a bunch of words, a bunch of categories and stuff that I don't really want to show right now. So if you were to promote something like this, you're gonna want to click custom, and then you're gonna want to unclick everywhere that you do not want it to go. Click the spots that you do want it to go. Pick mainstream, and you shouldn't have a problem with that at all. And so for this example, I'm just going to leave it here. But like I said, always get over here and follow the rules. Family friendly traffic only. So Yes, follow the rules. That's all I'm saying. And down here, you want to schedule. You want to pick your time zone, your start date, your end date. You could customize it. Then you want to pick your targeting. So in your targeting, you're going to want to, of course, you want to see what countries you could promote it in. Right, as you can see right here, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, New Zealand, United States. So you could pick any one of those countries or a few of them if you like. You're going to pick your countries. Okay, I'm just going to go right here and just for this example, to keep this video short, I'm going to pick United States. Oh, look, I can pick both. United Kingdom, United States, done. Languages, you could push all or you could create custom. I'm just going to leave it on all. I would pick English if it was me. Devices, right here I want to do custom because I want people to, I want my work to count for something. And I know when a lot of people are on their mobile phones, it's pretty quick. So I'm going to take off tablet and mobile and leave it desktop only. Operating system, you could do custom, whatever you like, meaning whatever you want to pick out of here, you don't want, that's all up to you. Browsers is the same thing. Whatever, if you don't want Firefox or you only want Firefox or whatever you want and don't want. And the same thing goes on for these two down here, carriers and proxy traffic type. Then I want to hit next. And then the system, which is pretty cool, I'm not going to publish it. I'm just using this as an example. Runs on all spots on the network. Now, since I'm using this as an example, this is the one I would use. This is the one it recommends. It's a test run. You always want to test it out. And by the way, minimum is $100 you have to do to open this account and get it running. So I want to do what's recommended based on the eCPM of all targeted GEOs and spots. This is the one I would pick and just go with that. Down here, I would pick my daily budget. So if I have $100 in there, I want to just do $20 a day or 15. That's what I'm going to pick. And then for it not to just blast out really fast, I want to pick even so it kind of flows through the day. It doesn't just automatically just hit me all at one time because people are on the internet at different times. So that's for that. And then right here, I'm going to pick the banner, which was that banner you see me have earlier. I want to pick it. Where'd it go? Was it this one? No. Where did it go? Sorry about this. It took a minute. Right there. Sorry it took a while. Hopefully I could edit that out. So I'm going to open that. And then in here, I'm going to want to put the URL. So I want to go back to Max Bounty. I want to pick the track it's going to do. So I want to be doing this on, it's not going to be email or, so you want to leave those alone. Native, display, let's see, search. That's Yahoo, Bing, Facebook. Be right here. Because that's push up. Okay, email. So I want to do this. I'm going to want to get a raw link. Copy this. Put it down here. Or, play around with this a little bit, see what it gives you. Because it doesn't really change much. You just want to make sure you get that link and that the system allows it. So, put that in there. Then I would hit publish. So, I'm glad if you stayed for the for this long of the video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a dislike, whichever you choose. And I I want to show you here. I do have something for you, and let's get to it real quick. I have this book in the description below. Now, if you get this book, this is my new book, Secrets of the Internet Marketing Exposed. You can use this book. That was just a quick title I came up with. You can use this book, and if you do hop on, and if you do choose to get this book, it's a pretty simple book. Got some good strategy in it that you could use. I will send you email nuts and bolts book. I will send you this book directly to your email. No additional sign up required. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please stick around for my other videos. And like I said, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whichever, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and you have a good time out there while you're doing your marketing. And never give up. Always pursue and move forward.